Welcome back to Auto Nihon, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Chevy Colorado ZR2. This mid-size truck is set to continue its reign as one of the most capable off-road machines on the market. And trust me, there's plenty to get excited about. So, let's talk about what makes the 2026 Colorado ZR2 so special. First off, this is the fourth model year of the third-generation Colorado, which means we can expect some refinements rather than a full redesign. But don't let that fool you. Minor updates can still pack a punch. Under the hood, the TurboMax 2.7L i4 L3B engine remains the star of the show, delivering an impressive 310 horsepower and a whopping 430 pound-feet of torque. This four-cylinder powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling steep trails, this setup ensures smooth power delivery and exceptional towing capability. And here's the best part. It's not just raw power, it's smart power. With 5 selectable drive modes, including the exclusive Baja mode for sandy terrain, the ZR2 adapts to whatever adventure you throw at it. Now, let's talk off-road. The ZR2 has always been built for the wild, and the 2026 model doesn't disappoint. It comes standard with a 3-inch factory lift, high-performance suspension, and those legendary Multimatic DSSV TM dampers, technology borrowed straight from race trucks. These components work together to give you unmatched stability and control over rough terrain. And check out these wheels. Not only do they look awesome, but they're designed to handle everything from deep mud to sharp rocks. Paired with those beefy 33-inch tires, the ZR2 is ready to conquer any obstacle. But the ZR2 isn't all brawn. It's got brains too. Inside, you'll find a luxurious yet functional cabin loaded with tech. The centerpiece is the 11.3-inch diagonal center touchscreen with Google built-in compatibility, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Navigation, music, and hands-free calling have never been easier. And then there's the 11-inch fully digital driver information center. Everything you need to know, speed, fuel economy, even off-road stats, is displayed right in front of you. Plus, wireless charging is now standard, so no more fumbling with cables. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. You've got perforated leather seats, ventilation for those hot summer days, and a heated steering wheel for chilly mornings. It's clear Chevrolet wants you to feel pampered, even when you're miles away from civilization. Safety is another area where the ZR2 shines. Standard Chevrolet Safety Assist includes features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and lane keep assist. And if you're towing, blind zone steering assist and rear cross traffic braking are lifesavers. These systems work seamlessly to keep you and your passengers safe, whether you're commuting to work or exploring remote back roads. Now, here's where things get interesting. There are rumors swirling about a potential Desert Boss edition. While details are scarce, insiders suggest it could take the ZR2's off-road capabilities to the next level with even more aggressive tires, additional skid plates, and unique styling cues. The 2026 Chevy Colorado ZR2 proves that sometimes evolution beats revolution. With its potent turbocharged engine, cutting-edge technology, and relentless off-road capability, it's a truck that truly does it all. So what do you think? Are you as excited about the 2026 ZR2 as I am? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, happy adventures! And remember, life's better off the beaten path.